Is Blockchain Wallet safe? Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Blockchain Wallet and other relevant products are in the description. Blockchain Wallet is a user-friendly, non-custodial wallet primarily designed for cryptocurrency beginners and casual users. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a selection of other popular cryptocurrencies, allowing users to store, send, and receive digital assets with ease. One of its strongest features is its simplicity, with a clean, intuitive interface that doesn't overwhelm users with technical details. Blockchain Wallet is available as a mobile app and a web-based wallet, providing flexibility for users who want to access their funds on the go or through a desktop. The main appeal of Blockchain Wallet lies in its accessibility and ease of use, making it a good choice for newcomers to the cryptocurrency world. It provides basic features like secure transaction management, a private key stored locally on the device, and encrypted backup options. Additionally, Blockchain Wallet offers an in-app exchange, allowing users to quickly swap between cryptocurrencies, which is ideal for those looking to trade without leaving the platform. However, while Blockchain Wallet is convenient, it does have weaknesses. First, being a software wallet, it is inherently more vulnerable to hacking and phishing attacks compared to hardware wallets. The security of the wallet depends heavily on the user's ability to protect their device and recovery phrase. Blockchain Wallet does offer two-factor authentication, 2FA, and encryption, but these features can still fall short when compared to the higher-level security offered by hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. Another limitation is that it doesn't support as many cryptocurrencies as some other wallets, which may be a deal-breaker for users who hold diverse portfolios. In summary, Blockchain Wallet is a solid choice for beginners or casual users who want an easy-to-use wallet for managing Bitcoin and Ethereum. Its simple interface and in-app exchange make it convenient, but it doesn't offer the highest level of security or multi-coin support. For larger portfolios or long-term storage, it's recommended to use Blockchain Wallet in conjunction with a hardware wallet for extra protection. Check the links in the description to learn more and download Blockchain Wallet today.